All right, so I've got the InvisX and the Braid twisted. That's probably about 14 or 15 twists. You're just going to hold on to these with your two fingers and your two fingers, right? And then find the middle of this. It doesn't have to be exact, just somewhere in the middle. Just kind of eyeball it, and then run your fingernail down that thing, and it'll help to separate that Fluro and that Braid. Just kind of pull you a loop in it, right? Now you take your Braid, go in one direction, take your Fluro, go in the opposite direction in that same loop. Then you're going to grab a hold of that Fluro with your finger and your thumb, and then grab a hold of the Braid with your finger and your thumb, and then you're going to take up, as you're pulling that, you're going to kind of dip your thumbs down and pull that main line at the same time. Once you get them kind of put together like that, wet them, and then cinch them down. That's that knot right there. Okay, and I mean that's as thin a knot as what everybody else is bragging on with an FG that's a pain in the butt to tie. Clip it tight. Doesn't really matter if you clip the Braid side tight or not, because it's real soft. So anyways, that's that knot. I mean, that thing right there is as tight as the FG. I don't know what else to tell you, and it's pretty simple, pretty easy to tie. Can't get that thing to zoom in. Anyways, it's a tight knot. Just practice it. If whenever you start cinching it down and you think it's kind of balling up, just kind of feather it back a little bit and just kind of jerk on it like that, pop it, and that thing will cinch down. And then whenever you start putting pressure, you'll feel that thing slide and it'll lock. I mean, that's whenever you know that knot's finished. And then just clip your end. Whew. It's hot. Wish I could make that thing. Wish y'all could really see that. All right. There's a hook point. There's a hook point, and there's your knot. So I mean, it's a tiny knot. Y'all try it out. Let me know. Holler back at me. Comment on the post. Comment on the YouTube and the Instagram. Appreciate y'all.